there's a helicopter. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, then my name is Emma and it's a pleasure to have you with us today. If you have not hit subscribe yet, please hit it down below to make sure that you never miss a post. Alright guys, yesterday again went to Ikea, the happy place. Absolutely love Ikea. And I bought 3 of these rugs. Now, I don't even know how you say the name of them. They are $4.99 each. Here is the name. It's the Signe. Sorry if I've pronounced that wrong, but yeah, the Signe Rug. I bought 3 of them, and today I'm going to show you 3 really quick, easy hacks for them. Guys, if you are not following me on social media yet, then please make sure you do. Facebook, Instagram, details are right here, and if you make anything, please use the hashtag MMADIY, as I love to see what you guys make. Okay, rug number 1. What we're doing here is just putting a little cut, about a few centimeters in, on each side. I repeat this 4 times so that I've got 4 little cuts. You can see here it creates a little flap across the bottom, and then I simply fold the 2 sides in on itself to create a straight line. This makes the side wall of your basket. Okay, now I'm just securing the sides with a hot glue gun. A glue gun is so quick and easy, and I love them for projects like this. Essentially, I've just laid out the side of the pot exactly how it's going to be, put glue everywhere, and I've pushed it down hard. And then flipping it up, and I'm turning the top over to create the top rim. And here's my basket. I'm using mine to keep one of my indoor plants in it because I think it looks super cute. Okay, rug number 2. This one is going to be a cushion, and it's a really simple and easy one. What I'm doing here, I'm just laying out the rug and marking exactly where I want to do the side seam. Okay, now that I've got my marks, I'm just taking my glue gun again and I'm creating the seam. I'm essentially just going straight down the side of the rug, and I'm going to fold it up on itself and push down. Again, hot glue gun makes a project like this so quick and easy. A quick note, before you start any of your crafts, it's a good idea to give your rug a really good iron. Okay, once you've done one of your seams, the next thing you want to do is get your cushion insert and put it inside your pillowcase. This will help you gauge where you want to create the seam on the other end. Now a tip here, always leave extra fabric because you can always cut more off afterwards, but you can't add more back on. So I cut down one of the stripes. Again, love the stripes on these rugs, it makes cutting very simple. And I'm going to put this bit aside and hopefully use it for another project. Then before I do the second seam, I'm going to do the seam across the front. So I'm folding the top flap over and I'm starting in the middle, and I'm just working my way out to each side with a bit of hot glue. Now that the middle seam's done, I'm actually going in and trimming the side seam a little bit more, and then I'm simply going to do the same thing as before, run a little bit of hot glue down the side seam to create the full pillowcase. Once I've finished both seams, I'm using fray stop on either side just to make sure that none of the stitches come out. And that's it, we're done. In real time guys, this cushion only took me 11 minutes to make, which is super easy and fast. And I love that you can create new ones and change your room up whenever you feel like it. Okay, rug number 3. This one is going to be a bag. So what I'm doing here, I'm cutting down the side, down 2 red stripes, and then I'm removing any little frayed edge. I'm simply running it through the sewing machine on a zigzag stitch down either side seam. And I'm just leaving a few centimeters open at the top. Now this is hard to explain what I'm doing here, but essentially I'm taking the bottom corners and I'm pushing them together to create little triangles. What we're going to do here is sew across this little bit where I'm marking out, which will create the base of our bag. You can see the little flaps that I've just created. I'm now turning the bag in the right way and pushing out the little base that we just created. This is where you'll start to see what we've just done. And here's a view from the inside so that you know exactly what we're looking at. You can see the little triangles now. Okay, now for the top, I'm folding over the top hem, again using hot glue gun to create this detail. Quick and easy, and I'm just running it straight across the top. And then when I get to the little bit where it joins on either side, I'm just making sure that these bits line up neatly and trimming off any little bits of excess. Again, I'm going to use fray stop on here and also the inside seams just to make sure our bag is secure. Now back to our two little points again. So that it creates a sturdy base on the bag, we're just going to hot glue them in on each other. Now the two side straps that we had before, they're going to become the straps. So what I'm doing here, I'm essentially gluing straight down the middle and rolling the sides in on themselves to create a thick strap. And then once these are done, I'm essentially gluing them onto the top of the bag. If you're going to be carrying heavy things in the bag, it might be a good idea to also stitch them. I've also got the base out of one of my supermarket bags and I'm just trimming it down to shape to pop it in the bottom of my tote bag. And we are done. What a cute little bag to take to the shops, the market, the beach, wherever. It can hold all your bits and pieces. $4.99, an absolute bargain. Thank you so much for coming past today, guys. I hope that I was able to inspire you, again, to upcycle some Ikea items into something for your home. Again, like last time, if you've got any items that you'd love to see an upcycle or a DIY, please comment below and I will see what I can do for you. Social media, guys, Facebook, Instagram, please make sure you jump on it. And again, the hashtag MMA DIY. Till next time, guys, bye!